Samsung S10 Plus. Don't play. S10 Plus ISP UFS jumper. It's another one, guys. I want to factory reset and remove arrow and remove FRP. I wanted to say RIP. So I want to factory reset this phone and also remove the FRP Google account. Okay, so I've connected it now. Let's see if it will communicate. So here's the jtag app. All right, so it's already at UFS ISP. All right, so let's connect and see. Okay, you can see one touch, don't play, one touch, sharp. All right, so I'm going to format action. First of all, let's wipe data. Let's use the universal factory reset. Then you continue. You can see erasing loan, sharp, done. So to be on the safer side, you see, you have to do it again. To be on the safer side, you have to do it again. We've done it the second time. Then lastly, let's do the FRP. Also do it twice as well. You can see removed, FRP done. So let me see, do it again. FRP not found. You see, so it has removed it. That's why I said not found. So all right, let's close section. Close the section, and let's connect again.
Naturally, you did so. I will. Yeah, you see?
Okay, sharp. So let's stop it and let's power on the phone to confirm our job. Stop.
Boy, that don't feel bad, no bad.